How to get V2Box VPN key. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get V2Box VPN key. So first of all you have to do is to download V2Box directly from your Google Play Store or any app store that you use from your mobile device, which is going to be right here. Now, V2Box does not actually use a single key. In the traditional sense, instead, it requires a configuration link or URI or a subscription URL from V2Ray, X-Ray, or any server provider that affiliates V2Box. All I have to do is to copy the specific URI of the subscription URL, have it pasted into V2Box application, and you should be able to have connected. Now, once you have obtained the subscription URL or the URI link, all you have to do is to import it via into the V2Box. What you want to have to do is to copy the configuration link or subscription URL to your clipboard. Open up this application right here. You can also use this QR code at the upper left and then navigate through configs, which is going to be the middle option right here. And then all you have to do next is to hit on the plus icon at the top right and select import V2Ray URI from clipboard. And that's it. That's how you get V2Box VPN key.